What does FIR stand for in the context of law enforcement? First, Information Report FIR. What does AIIMS stand for in the context of medical education and research in India? All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Give the full form of ATM in banking technology. Automated Teller Machine ATM. What is the full form of ISD in telecommunications? International Subscriber Dialing ISD. What does LPG stand for in the context of fuel? Liquefied petroleum gas LPG.